Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and in this video I'll be doing a product review, installation, and demo of the M3 series LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. Alright, so here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 28 watts. It is using ZES LED chip, 3 on each side. It is rated at 6,000 raw lumen, and the color is 6500K. There is a fan at the top that will help keep the LEDs cool. That is rated at 13,000 RPM, so there might be some fan noise. Everything is aluminum except the O-ring right here, which is rubber. The LED driver is built in within the bulb, so there's not an external LED driver that you have to mount. And the total length of this LED bulb is only 2.8 inches. Alright, so I'll be installing this on my low beams on my Honda Accord Coupe. It should take about 15 minutes to install both sides. Here is the low beam headlight bulb with the wire harness. So I'm going to go ahead and release the wire harness by pressing the tab in the back. And then turn this counterclockwise. Now take the new LED bulb, and you see those 3 little tabs. It needs to correspond with the cutout on the headlight. And so line that up, push down, and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. The fan should be facing straight up. And then take your headlight harness and plug it back into the LED bulb. Now before I work on the driver's side, I want to make sure that this works. And so turn on your headlights and verify that the light does turn on, and as you can see, it does. And here's a color comparison between the stock versus the new LED. Alright, so I'm going to do a simple test, not a very scientific test whatsoever, because I'm just taking a lux meter right here and reading the lux off the stock one versus the LED one in a bright daytime. Alright, so there you go. 165.3, and the LED side is 178. All right, with that measurement, I can see the LED side is a little bit brighter compared to the stock side. However, that measurement only is capturing the light output that's directly in front of the headlight. Ideally, what I'm gonna do later is take the measurement from 25 feet back to see how much effective lux there is in the road. So how much light is actually being thrown out into the road so that you can actually see stuff during the night. It doesn't matter if it's bright, like 5 feet in front of the car. If it doesn't project the light out, then you can't see anything. All right, so both the driver and passenger side is installed with the M3 series LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. As you can see, the color is pure white and matches the rest of my LEDs pretty well. The installation was very simple. Everything was plug and play. No errors on the dash or anything like that. And here is a nighttime sample of the light output and the cutoff. It's about 2.5 to 3 cars to the left and to the right. And the cutoff is pretty straight. However, it does have a little slope on this end right here. All right, and here is the lux reading right in the center of the headlight, parked 25 feet away from this wall. So I'm getting about 260, 270. Here is the reading, 1 car to the left. And here is the reading from 2 cars to the left. And for those of you that complain about LED bulbs that's causing glare, here is the reading right above the cutoff. And this right here is the stock halogen bulb. This definitely does have a hot spot right in the middle. It does cover the length of the container as well, and it does slope down on that end as well. All right, so that's the reading with the stock halogen bulb right in the middle. It went up to 230, 232. And 1 car to the left, and then 2 cars to the left, and then right above the cutoff in the middle. And here is a nighttime driving demo of the M3 LED headlight bulbs installed on a halogen projector housing. All right, so that completes the product review of the M3 LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. I'll have the product link in the description below, so check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.